everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log out of your Safeum account. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Tap open your Safeum application first and from the main homepage of Safeum after you are logged in. In order to log out of your account, you can tap on the account button at the bottom right. Now, tap on Accounts Control. Right next to your username, you'll be able to see an exit kind of an icon. Give it a tap and then tap on OK in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log out of your Safeum account right away from your mobile device. To log in back again, you'll need to type in your login details, that is your login information in the first text box and then your password, and tap on sign in. That is how you can easily log out or sign out of Safeum. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.